Hello friends, welcome back to new series ETL and database testing. In this video, I am going to teach you how to learn ETL testing without taking coaching. Before that, we will see who can learn this course. A manual test engineer who are working currently and freshers individuals who don't wish to pursue career development or automation roles. Women on career break. Many of the women take a break for their maternity leave or taking care of their parents or children. So they want to start new career. They don't want to go development automation role. So they can learn easily this course. What are the skills required? ETL testing or data warehouse testing required. SQL is mandatory 100%. ETL tool knowledge that is optional but recommended to learn, and data warehouse concepts very important. Then basic Unix and the Linux skill set. Jira, agile methodology, and reporting tool like Tableau, Power BI. It is optional but recommended. So do we need learn automation required? It depends upon the project required. If some of the projects are using automation, if you selected that project, maybe they need automation. Most of the projects don't have that automation skill. So if you get project that you don't need to learn automation. But if you learn automation like Python, any third-party tool like Querysearch or Tosca, which is good for your career. Then how much time required to learn ETL testing? As per my knowledge, if you want to learn completely, thoroughly ETL testing, you need to spend at least 60 days. So your study is 40 days. You need to write complex SQL. So understanding from basic to advanced, it will take 40 days if you follow my steps, which I'm going to explain in the next video. And the ETL testing concepts you can learn easily through Google, and Unix I will show you. Jira also 2 days, just understanding how Jira is working. As a fundamental, you can learn by different options using Google and something. So this course is useful for if you spend daily 2 hours to learn SQL as well as a fundamental. Then you learn within 60 days and you can start your own way to search jobs, and you can continue and you can successfully complete your career in ETL testing. In upcoming videos, I will explain ETL fundamental and concepts, ETL testing life cycle, and what is mapping sheet, how it is look like, what are the things are there in a mapping sheet, and what are the source and target information. And also I will explain once you get the project, what are the things that you need to take care of to understanding entire project architecture. And also I will show you different data analysis at each stage from source, target, reporting. I will show you how to build SQL queries using business rules which are given in the mapping sheet or Jira stories. To continue explain all these concepts, I will share one of the projects as per the real time, each step by step, so that you can understand how source, what is target, what are the stages are there, what are the validation that we are going to perform stage 1. So that I will explain the project 1. The project 2, I will give you assignment. Once you go through all the videos and understanding the concepts, understanding and execution, I will give project 2 for assignment. You have to develop your queries, capture the result and share with me. I will give some feedback to you, where exactly you are. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel to get more real-time shares.